Hello guys, welcome by another video from the Mega Profits channel. Let's talk about crypto and what's happening in the markets. Right now you can see the Bitcoin chart that has been going according to my prediction beforehand, and we actually went down, touched the 5,800 support, and then again bounced up. Actually, yesterday nobody was thinking that this move is possible because, to be honest, we did go quite aggressive downwards. Then we had this price consolidation, but leaning more towards the downside, and then sharp move down. And with this dead cross here on the hourly, it was almost certain that we'll go for another low, or at least for the 5,500s. And really a lot of shorts did happen in this region here. Yeah. If we go to the Bitcoin shorts, BTC USD shorts, you can see that you will see that really a lot of shorts were opened right at these levels. Let's see the full chart and see how many shorts were open. The quantity will really astonish you. Yeah, actually it's incredibly big one. As you can see, shorts start falling just now, but before this they were skyrocketing at an incredible pace. As you can see, ever since the 27th of March we have been going up in shorts ratio really fast, and there was nothing that could stop it. There was not even consolidation below the 100 moving average. It just went straight up, and right when this was happening, Bitcoin did fall some more to these levels. And you want to tell me that when shorts were this high and Bitcoin has already jumped a little, we were in for another big move down like this? Well guys, that's not happening in reality, because most of the crypto volume right now is coming from leverage exchanges, and these exchanges go more often than not to hunt stops and even liquidate customers. And I don't think that they are even cheating. They just use the data that they have, and when they see shorts as high as this, they tend to liquidate them really fast. And that's what's happening right now. Shorts were getting overconfident at this place here, and then we got this incredible bounce up that was like 10% or more in price change. So Bitcoin did change almost 10% since lows, and this was right when a lot of people went short. That's why you should not use too much leverage, because you'll most probably get burned. No matter how good you do your trades or you screen the markets and the political situation, most probably the leveraged exchanges will have better data than you, and they will dump on you, or they will put the price really high really fast, so you cannot get in and your short get liquidated, or your long gets liquidated. As you can see, yesterday there was this big spike here, but just here we had the other way around, and we went minus 10% in a really short matter of time. So this place, these games on this place are really common. They are not something extraordinary. These are not black swan events, and this will happen more and more with the advance of time. What I posted earlier on my TradingView account is actually the range in which Bitcoin is still moving. Bitcoin is still moving in a range, and I think that these range games will continue. It does not matter what the current situation right now is. Bitcoin will most probably move in this range for some more time, some more weeks, until we get a clear direction to where we are going to go next. As you can see, price has been moving in this range for quite a long time. Just when it tries to break out of the range, it goes down again, and then just when we think that this is a nice bulwark or butt up, it goes down again, goes to the next range level, and then it goes up again. Right now we are at one important point. We can go for the 6,500s or even a little bit higher, or we can just get stopped by the moving averages at the 1 hour and go down for as low as, once again, testing 5,900, or even go to test 5,500 or 5,400. Right now everything can happen, and I'll advise you to not over leverage your trading and try to follow this range. Right now it's not the best place to long. It will be more of a gamble now, so wait for better entries if you want to long. You can start building your short if you feel confident that the market will go down, but you should be really careful and not with too big position, because right now everything can happen. It's not the best way to short, and it's not the best way to long the market. On the other side, a lot of altcoins have been showing really great signs of life and having these incredible spikes of 10, 20, even 30% in a matter of minutes or hours, and they even tested their moving averages and then went up again. So right now altcoins are a little bit unstable to the big rise of Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin continues to move into this range, I think that there are gonna be a lot of other altcoins plays in which you can make. There are going to be a lot of more altcoin plays in which you can make money and profits even without the big risk of leverage. And again, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and all the charts here have purely entertainment and educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do this at your own risk. But again, you should know that Bitcoin right now, if it keeps on moving into this range prior to its halving, this will give you the opportunity to make a lot of Bitcoin in the altcoins, so keep monitoring the altcoins. As you can see, we are already in Binance and we're watching the change in altcoins percentage wise and against BTC, and as you can see, there are a lot of interesting plays that just happened, and one of them is without a doubt, it's Syscoin. If we come here and give Syscoin in, you see what kind of madness just happened here. It spiked with more than 25% or something like this. It spiked with more than 27% and went down right at the moving average, then spiked another incredible 25%, 26%, then went down, then did it again, and right now it went here. If we go to the lower time frame, the 1 hourly, you can see that there was this nice reversal doji right here, and out of the blue, again another 20% spike like nothing. If you have played this, which is almost close to the impossible because you cannot know this, but if you have played at least 1.5 of these swings, you'll be sitting at 40% gain 40% profit. So do not stop observing these altcoins. You should know that there is a lot of Bitcoin to be made there. They're again extremely dangerous, and whenever Bitcoin is not too stable, try to avoid trading them. I'll keep on discussing altcoins and Bitcoin in my channel, and I'll be posting setups on my Twitter account, on my Twitter page. Be sure to follow it there as well. I'll be using this TradingView account as it has been going very nice lately. You've been providing a lot of help, likes and support, for which I thank you. So let's see how Bitcoin develops. Then if appropriate, let's trade some altcoins and make more Bitcoin, because do not forget that the Bitcoin halving is coming, so you should be prepared. Actually, that was it for today. Once again, thank you. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button and like the video, and stay tuned. I'll keep you posted, and have fun trading. Bye for now.